going on the boat. Someone come. Boy. You going over there? Oh, there's that bridge.
Oh yeah.
Going out in the middle of the reservoir for tea. Tea's included. Time for tea. Why did tell us?
Yorkshire tea.
Yeah. Oh. Cheers.
Cheers.
That's nice. Probably grown over there, wasn't it? A few
that
tea
tea?
trees, looks like it.
Is that tea?